Print high-quality photos on your HP printer from Windows 10. Turn on your printer and then remove any paper from the input tray. On printers with a rear-loading input tray, load photo paper with the glossy or print side face up, and then adjust the paper guide so it touches the edge of the photo paper. On printers with a front-loading input or paper tray, load photo paper with the glossy or print side face down. Adjust the paper guides so they touch the edge of the photo paper, and then close the tray. In Windows, right-click the photo you want to print. Select Open With, and then select Photos. Select the print icon, or press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. Select your printer from the drop-down list. Select the paper size and type you loaded into your printer. Select the Fit drop-down list and choose Shrink to Fit if you want to print the entire image, or choose Fill Page to print using the entire sheet of photo paper. Choosing this option might crop the edges of the photo. Select More Settings to change any other desired print settings. Select Print to print the photo according to your selected settings.